the Metro Cotabato Water District, and our media partners, the DM Radio FM 94.7, DYTC 95.9 Radyo Natin, and the Ministry of Environmental and Natural Resources, Palitan Bangsamoro, Bangsamoro Planning Development Authority, BARM News, the Ministry of Trade, Investment and Tourism, the Bangsamoro Information and Communication Technology Office, the Ministry of Health, the National Food Authority, the National Irrigation Authority, Maguindanao, Lamsan Holdings Corporation, then 107.3 DXM Mountain FM. At sa ating mga parating po na bisita, kindly register po sa ating secretariats. At meron din po tayong guest from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Cotabato. So welcome po, magandang umaga. Interior and local government. Ang ating guest from Bangsamoro Commission for the Preservation of Cultural Heritage.